This is a short guide to the Hannah Project Cashflow app. The app is designed for anyone working with contractors who have their own project budgets. If you need to transfer funds to them as project expenses, this app helps you keep things clear and organized. To get started, you'll need to register using your email address. Then, in your profile, add some basic info about yourself so your colleagues can recognize you easily. Adding a photo is recommended too. After that, you'll see an empty dashboard, ready to be filled with your project data. Here you can either join someone else's project as a contractor or create your own project to invite other contractors. Let's start by clicking the Create Project button. Type in the project name and add an initial budget, but you can leave this field empty and add it later if you want. Next, set the shooting day or deadline date. This app is designed for working with production teams, so this can be your shooting day, or if not, any project deadline works as well. This date also helps identify the project for your contractors. Finally, press Create to finish. You have landed on the project admin page. At the top left, you'll see the unique project code. This is what you share with contractors so they can send you a request to join the project. On the right, the Requests button collects all join requests from contractors. In the Closing Orders section, you'll find requests from contractors who have finished their part and want to close out the project. Closing a project means all funds have been spent, and any remaining money is either returned to the admin or the admin reimburses the contractor if they use their own funds. Contractors send join requests, and the admin approves or denies them. The Transfer List button shows a detailed list of funds transferred in this project. The Share Project button lets you copy and share the project code with contractors. The text block on the left side of the buttons gives a quick summary of key stats. It shows the project date, the current balance of funds, the total amount transferred, which is the initial budget set by the admin, and the total expenses from all contractors at the bottom. In the middle of the screen, you'll see a block showing the most recent fund transfers. At the moment, this is the initial budget sent to the administrator. It's automatically marked as confirmed, so the status is confirmed. There are also two other possible statuses. Pending means the funds were sent but haven't yet been confirmed by the contractor. And rejected means the contractor declined to confirm receiving the funds. Important: once a status is confirmed, it cannot be changed. At the bottom, there's a block showing all the contractors involved. Currently, just the admin, who can also act as a contractor on their own project. You can see a quick financial summary for each contractor, how much funds they have active, and how much they've already spent. There's also a Send Funds button to record transferring money to the selected contractor. Now, let's click the Back button to return to the dashboard. Now, you see a list of projects. The first one is displayed here. You can see the project name and the overall balance of the project. There are 3 buttons. Project Page takes you to the Project Details page. Admin Page opens the admin page we just visited. This button only appears for the project administrator. And the Add Expense button lets you quickly add an expense directly from the dashboard. Please be very careful when clicking the Delete Project button, as this action cannot be undone and will permanently remove the project and all related data. From top to bottom, first there's a link to change the project status to Closed for the contractor who clicks it. This sends a request to mark the project as closed. Next, you'll see the Project Status section. Right now, it's open, created on October 23, 2025 at 10:53. Below that is a large Add Expense button to record a new expense made on the project. Finally, there's a block showing the contractor's project balance, including their total funds, confirmed receipts, and recorded expenses. In the lower half of the window, there's a block with 3 tabs showing recent activities: Expenses, Funds, and Pending. The Pending tab lists the requests you've sent to the project administrator to confirm receiving funds. Let's click the Add Expense button to record a project expense. A menu will open where you can enter brief details: the expense name, an optional comment, and the amount spent. Then just press Add Expense to save it. Let's add one more expense so we have at least 2 in the list. Now, you can see your expenses on the project in the list, along with how much funds you have left. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Here we can see our list of projects. Let's click the Admin Page button to return to the Administrator's project page. As you can see, there is a change in the contractor's financial status.